This video will focus on the Inspections and Testing tab, which you can find under the project workflows. So get into a project, and again you can find it as a second option under the project workflows tab. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to the main page for inspections and testing, where you can click on New Task. So once Sukit or your contractor or any CQA consultants request some kind of inspection, it would be updated in a VPO under the Inspections and Testing tab, which they can create a new item and start filling out all the information, including task name, the date they would like the inspection, locations in which the service will be required, the type, any additional information, the subcontractor who will be performing the work. In this case, we can just do company A. Who initiated it, the date, anybody you would like to add to the ball in court, any attachments, maps, anything to that nature that may help the inspector become more familiar with the inspection, and then anybody that needs to be included, such as the contractor or the client or any consultants, etc. And then you'd hit save. So once our CQA company has performed their inspection, we get back into our inspection and testing module, and we click on that specific inspection form. We click up here at the edit item, and then this time, once we've heard back from our inspectors, we can go to the review tab, and then we would start filling out the information here as well, such as, did anybody witness the inspection? Yes. The status, depending on what we saw, we could click accepted. Is there any written evidence? There should be, so click yes. QA manager, we could put whoever witnessed that inspection. At Sukit, at Olinda, it would have likely been Mark Shafayun or somebody from AES. Write down any comments. Inspected date, which would have been the day we requested. Simplus would acknowledge that they received something and they spoke with, AES or whoever our CQA is. Ball in court, we can then send this back to Sukit. We would sign it, and then any attachments from our CQA, we can browse and attach those here, being sure to click upload so they get saved. Once you've got your review, you could come up here, and again, this discussions tab that you'll see in most of the modules is for our weekly meeting minutes. Anything you type in here will basically give a history of each of these individual items, and those again will show up in our weekly meeting minutes. Alright, and then we would click Save.